Hi guys, today we're going to draw HeiHei.
Let's start with two big circles for the eyes. You can use anything round to trace them. Mine are a little different, but that's okay. Nothing has to be perfect. Now let's add the pupils. Make them small and place them anywhere you like. Wow. Oh no, this is so funny. Look at this. Pause the video and draw with us, and send us your drawings on Telegram, or tag us on Instagram and send your drawings in DMs. They might be featured in our posts. We love seeing your art. Now we draw the beak. Just make two long drops like this. Wait. Oh wow, now it looks even sillier. This already looks so funny. Why is he looking like that? Yeva, yours looks crazy. I love this. Let's connect everything and draw the head.
Subscribe!
And now the funniest part, the hair. Make it as crazy as you want. There are no rules here. Our chicken is getting funnier and funnier. I love how he looks. And now it's your turn. Write in the comments, who should we draw together in the next video? Maybe your favorite character? Or something super funny. I can't wait to see your ideas. Now let's draw a long neck, nice and stretchy. Make it thin and a little wobbly. Add a wavy line here, like fluffy feathers. Just a little zigzag, super cute. Now draw a small body like an egg, round and simple. Perfect. And let's add tiny legs. Wow, this is getting interesting already. I think our chicken is going to be very stylish. Like little boots at the bottom. Oh my. Look at him. This is so funny. I love it. He looks so surprised. Or maybe he's about to say something really important. Now let's draw the tail. Start with a small curve at the back, then add a few big feathers. Make them long, wavy, and a little curly. You can make them go up or to the side, or even in different directions. Now it's time to color. We're making him bright red and adding some yellow here. You can choose any colors you like. There are no mistakes in art. Wow, look at our chicken. He looks so funny.